Okay, hi everyone. I want to tell you that we have here, for example, this is the work. Okay, this is different work, but because I already made my picture, but this one is the other one. I just want to explain the way how we are going to fix this picture. For example, for this drawing, I used A4 size drawing paper and I make it two papers together because we need to have a long picture. Yeah, so this is it. So please make sure which one is up, which one is down. Okay, so what we are going to do, we need to put four more papers on top. Is like this: one, two, three, and four. For the next lesson we are going to do, yeah, we are going to draw lesson number 10. So this is the things we need to do. So what we are going to do first, I suggest you to, what I'm doing usually, turn the picture upside down, take a small piece of sticky tape. This is paper sticky tape. And first I make small one to make sure, find the middle and stick the papers together. And after this I take another one and stick together. After this I take here, stick together, and next one I stick here. Okay, when I make sure everything goes well, I use a long one to stick it. Be careful, don't make it puffy, so it's have to be loose, not too tense. And after this, just press it to the paper and cut here at the edge. And after this, okay, we can do it later. After this, we prepare next one. Okay, again, prepare small pieces first to stick it, and put the paper here first. Okay, one, two, three, okay, four. Okay, so this is the second one, second layer of the paper. Okay, and we draw like this. And after this, we also stick the vertical line here. Okay, so this is it, and we turn our paper that way. So now you can see, yeah, sometimes the paper is not perfectly cut, but it's okay. So yeah, this is it. So we stick the paper. And what we're going to do next, I would like you to prepare next step. So down paper here, yeah, down paper here. So what we're going to do, we need to draw neurographic lines on our picture. So every line we have here, we have to draw it up. Yeah, every line. So how you will draw, it's up to you. How do you feel they will go? Yeah, so we draw all the lines up. On our picture. Yeah, just like this. So, and after this, when you are done with all the lines in your picture, so this place here, we draw all the lines up. Yeah. А, недолго я закончу сейчас и все. So we just keep drawing till we finish all the paper, yeah. Okay, so I want to tell you that, for example, here I have a circle, yeah. So when we draw out all the lines, you can see here is not much. It's okay, but the other work, karma, we have a lot. So you can finish the circle actually. And after you're done with the lines, please round the corners on this picture. This is the preparation for the next class. Okay, no coloring, just only draw lines and round them. It's all what we need to do to be prepared for the next class. Okay, this is it. Yeah. Okay, so when we are done, we start to round the corners. Yeah, round the corners. This is it. We don't draw the filled lines, no. If you just have some kind of fixation, you may draw it out or may not. It's okay. But what we need to do is to draw the lines, continuing the lines up and round them. This will be great if you do so. Thank you. This is all what we need for the next class. See you next time.